In our last video, we practiced some basic fillers in mandala art. Now let's explore some beautiful spiral fillers, swirls and curves to add more flow and movement to our designs. Let's get started. Swirls or spirals are often seen in traditional mandalas because they mimic the patterns found in nature, like flowing water or vines. They add elegance and softness to your design. This is a common design in fine liner mandalas. It's called paisley design. The paisley design, with its elegant teardrop-shaped curves, has been a beloved element in mandala art for centuries. Originating from Persian and Indian traditions, this motif symbolizes fertility, growth, and eternity. When woven into a mandala, paisley patterns create a mesmerizing flow, guiding the viewer's eye through intricate, swirling rhythms. Let's see more variations of these designs in our worksheet. Achieving clean and balanced patterns isn't about rushing, it's about enjoying the process. So take your time, practice steadily, and let the design unfold beautifully. What you see now is a fast-forwarded version of the tracing, just like in reels and shorts. It looks quick and effortless, right? But let's not be fooled. This is just for the reel. Artists often use paisleys to add movement and fluidity, balancing the structured symmetry of a mandala with organic grace. Whether delicately placed along the borders or forming the core of the design, paisleys bring a sense of harmony and tradition, making each mandala not just an artwork but a story of cultural heritage and artistic expression. The pattern practice sheet I've provided here is in a square grid format. Practicing in a structured grid like this helps you focus on mastering each pattern with precision and consistency. Once you're comfortable, try applying the same patterns within a circular mandala grid. This will help you understand how patterns flow naturally in curved spaces, making your mandalas look more organic and well-balanced. The transition from square to circular grids will improve your control and confidence in designing intricate mandala patterns. As we wrap up today's session on paisley designs in mandalas, I hope you enjoyed exploring the elegance and flow of these intricate patterns. Paisleys add a beautiful rhythm to our mandalas, bringing both tradition and movement into the artwork. In our next video, we'll take it a step further by introducing twin-line shapes and learning how to draw spirals within them. These elements will add depth and complexity to your designs, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your mandala. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed this session, like, share, comment, and support me for more videos. See you in the next video.